Hi, this was Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2007 Toyota Landcruiser, stock number 6004. This ran from 03 2007 to 09 2016. Has a 1FD FTV 4.5 litre V8 diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the 1VD FTV 4.5 litre V8 turbo diesel engine. The front headlight needs polish. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door card. Manual gear stick. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo. Instrument cluster.